Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I've got a very special vehicle for you today, which I'll be taking you on a 360 walk around. This here is an approved used Volkswagen Transporter T32 short wheelbase. It comes as a 4MOTION ABT Sportsline Highline Kombi van. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely ABT Sportsline Kombi van comes in a very nice Ascot grey colour with a 3-stage pearl candy apple red contrasts. Across the front of the vehicle we can see that it comes with front fog lights as well as front parking sensors, not to mention that a very stylish enhanced front bumper with the high gloss black and pearl candy apple red contrasts. Across both of the front wings we have some lovely ABT badging, and down below the vehicle does sit on the very gorgeous 20-inch ABT GR alloy wheels in a high gloss black colour. As you can see, they do also come in a multi-spoke design. Some more of those lovely candy apple red contrasts can be seen on the lower wing mirror caps, as well as some side skirts as well. Taking a look behind one of the sliding passenger doors reveals a very handsome interior. In the rear passenger area there is a 3-seater passenger bench which can be folded down or removed, and the fabric comes in a leatherette finished in a lovely titanium and palladium black colour, again with some lovely red contrast stitching. As we move to the rear of the vehicle, we'll take a look at some of the features here. The vehicle does also come with a 2-litre TDI bi-turbo engine and is equipped with a DSG Automatic gearbox. Up top of the rear of the vehicle we have the ABT rear wing spoiler, and down below we have some badging such as the 4MOTION as well as a rear view camera system and some lovely ABT badging in a pearlescent candy apple red. Down below we have the ABT rear full skirt set, and among this we can see the 4 ABT Sportsline exhaust tips. The vehicle is also equipped with a full ABT Quad stainless exhaust system as well, giving a really nice note. In the back of the vehicle, behind that lovely tailgate, emerges a full camping pod. And once we take it out with the 2 securing buttons, it also comes with a sink with a foldable tap, as well as a 2-hob cooker as well. This gives the vehicle a very stealth camper appearance, while remaining stylish and incredibly beautiful to look at. The vehicle is also full of functionality and comes with a variety of different features. If you would like to know more about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. Just before taking a look at the driver's interior, we can see the other sliding door located on the passenger side. Behind the driver's door, the driver is greeted with a very handsome leather and carbon fibre effect steering wheel that comes with a flat bottom. In the rest of the cab's interior is a colour touchscreen infotainment system, as well as some of that very beautiful leatherette seating with twin armrests for the driver and front passenger alike. So that will finish the 360 walk around of this amazing show vehicle, built by the famous Richter Sport, the UK's sole importer for ABT. Once again, if you would like to know more about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Stick around, as later on in the video we'll explore that interior in much greater detail. Thank you for sticking around. The controls for the electric heated and power folding wing mirrors are located on the driver's door card, and the controls for the light switches are located to the right hand side of the steering wheel. The steering wheel itself is very handsome and has a carbon fibre effect, and is a leather trimmed multifunction steering wheel that has a flat bottom as well. Taking a look now at the full virtual cockpit system by hitting the view button located on the right hand side of the steering wheel, this allows the driver to have a unique driver experience. My personal favourite is the classic dial system here, and with the buttons on the right hand side, the driver can cycle through a few different menus such as driving data, vehicle information, navigation, and also what's being played on the infotainment system. Over on the left hand side of the steering wheel, the driver has the buttons for the driver convenience options, such as the adaptive cruise control as well as the speed limiter. Once the desired speed has been selected with the plus and minus button, the distance button in the middle can be chosen to select the required distance for the adaptive cruise control settings. The driver also has access to the audio settings from the steering wheel itself. The driver can select to increase or decrease the volume, as well as select the next or previous track or radio station, all while never having to remove their hands from the steering wheel. Moving over to the 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, it comes with App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The vehicle also comes with navigation, as well as included is the very tech-savvy 3D Maps software, which is useful as it allows the driver and passengers to identify their current location with the help of existing landmarks. The vehicle also comes with access to FM and DAB radio stations, providing a wide and varied list of different music genres. The driver and front passenger can also choose to connect through a media streaming device or through the Bluetooth audio function as well. Down below, the driver also has access to a parking sensor toggle button as well as a stop-start button. Here, once reverse gear has been selected, we can see the rear view camera feed. Along with this, the vehicle has a very intuitive climate system with a front heated windscreen as well as 2 front heated seats. Throughout the rest of the cab's interior is a very comfortable seating arrangement in the leatherette fabric. It comes in a lovely palladium black with red contrast stitching. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That will fully conclude the 360 walk around of this approved used T32 Highline Kombi van in the 4MOTION ABT Sportsline. If you have any further questions about this vehicle, then please do not hesitate to give a member of the friendly sales team a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.